This is an ABB 145kV circuit breaker. You can see the circuit. This is 145kV, 1250 ampere, and short circuit breaking current is 1.5 kA, and the gas pressure will be 0.7 SF6 MPa absolute. And if you calculate as bar, now we are going to outside of the circuit breaker. This is R pole, Y and B, RYB, and this is the density monitor of the circuit breaker. Now it's in green zone. That means there is no leakage and the gas pressure is okay, and that is the green zone, and that is the yellow zone, and that is the red zone. If this needle go to yellow zone, that means your gas pressure is low and you have to refill the gas. Now inside is the auxiliary connections are there. Here if you look at that auxiliary, all the fields are there, and if you this is the relay, selector switch, local remote, and the trip close. This is the motor operating switch. This is the trip close, opening coil, closing coil, and closing coil, opening coil, and two opening coil are there. And this is the closing coil. Sorry. And this is the motor mechanism. This is the counter. Breaker is we go inside. You can see it. And this is the motor mechanism number. FS mechanism is FSA mechanism made in Sweden breaker, and that is coil voltage is 110 volt DC, heater voltage is 230 volt AC, and motor voltage is 110 volt DC, 230 ampere per watt. And this is what you need to know. Everything inside the breaker. There you go.